Today on Top Garage, we're diving into the 2025 Land Rover Defender 110, finished in the striking Tasman Blue. Rugged, iconic, and packed with cutting-edge upgrades, this latest version of the Defender continues to prove that true off-road heritage can coexist with refined modern luxury. Let's explore what makes the 2025 Defender 110 in Tasman Blue a standout in the world of high-performance SUVs. Design, bold presence meets classic style. The first thing that grabs your attention is the Tasman Blue finish, a deep, rich tone that elevates the Defender's robust silhouette. It's elegant without losing the muscular edge we expect from this legendary nameplate. The black contrast roof, optional white accents, and 20 or 22-inch alloy wheels only add to its commanding road presence. The 2025 model retains the boxy shape that defines the Defender but adds sleeker LED lighting, a slightly refreshed grille, and refined bumper design, giving it a subtle yet noticeable update. Interior, rugged meets refined. Step inside, and the Defender 110 continues to blur the line between utility and luxury. The cabin is a harmonious mix of durable materials and premium finishes. In the Tasman Blue variant, the interior can be optionally paired with light oyster or ebony leather, complemented by contrast stitching in metal trim. It's spacious, practical, and tech-savvy. The Pivi Pro infotainment system with an 11.4-inch touchscreen now includes wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard. Upgraded climate control, increased cabin insulation, and optional Meridian audio make long journeys feel effortless. Performance, all-terrain powerhouse. Under the hood, the 2025 Defender 110 offers a choice of powertrains, including the mild hybrid 3.0L inline-six and the powerful V8 option. Both deliver excellent torque and smooth power delivery, whether you're navigating rocky trails or highway cruising. Terrain response 2, adjustable air suspension, and advanced off-road assist systems come standard, allowing the Defender to conquer mud, sand, snow, or gravel with ease. With a towing capacity up to 8,200 pounds and weighting depth of 35.4 inches, it's clear the Defender remains a true adventurer's vehicle. Final verdict, icon reborn in Tasman Blue. The 2025 Land Rover Defender 110 in Tasman Blue is more than just a pretty face. It's a bold expression of heritage fused with innovation. With its unmatched off-road capability, luxurious interior, and head-turning color, it offers something few SUVs can: authenticity. Whether you're in the city or the mountains, the Defender 110 is always at home. Stay tuned to Top Garage for more honest reviews, automotive deep dives, and the best in rugged luxury.